Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and also while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much to get the most accurate results. Okay, I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And in the menu, find the icon called SpO2. This is the blood oxygen levels. Tap on it to open the widget. Now I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor and tap on the start measuring button to start the measurement. And after a couple of seconds, you should have your result. If you want to measure it again, you can tap on measure again. And also, I believe you can swipe up on the screen. No, you can't. That's only in the heart rate widget. Okay, so once you're done measuring, you can press the side button to go back. Okay, and that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.